Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have an exciting showdown between two cameras. On the left, we have the SINEAU Kids Camera, and on the right, we have the Anteam Digital Camera, FHD 4K autofocus vlogging camera.
Let's dive in and see which camera comes out on top. The SINEAU Kids Camera comes in at a budget-friendly $54, making it a great option for parents looking for an affordable camera for their little ones.
On the other hand, the Anteam Digital Camera is priced at $99, which is a bit higher but still reasonable for the features it offers.
The SINEAU Kids Camera boasts a 12.0 megapixels and 2600W pixels with a 2-inch 1080p IPS screen. It may be designed for kids, but it certainly doesn't compromise on clarity. However, the Anteam Digital Camera takes it up a notch with its 48 megapixel CMOS sensor and 4K Full HD video recording. If you're looking for professional-grade image quality, this one's for you. The SINEAU Kids Camera supports continuous shooting, timed shooting, self-timer, and even has cute photo stickers and filters. It's packed with fun for the little ones.
On the other hand, the Anteam Digital Camera comes with an autofocus function, 16x digital zoom, a 2.8 inches IPS screen, and even a built-in LED light for those low-light situations.
It's a powerhouse for vlogging enthusiasts. The SINEAU Kids Camera comes with a lanyard, making it easy for kids to carry around.
It also includes a 32GB SD card, which is a nice bonus. Meanwhile, the Anteam Digital Camera goes above and beyond, providing not only a 32GB SD card, but also 2 rechargeable batteries.
No need to worry about running out of juice during your adventures. The SINEAU Kids Camera and the Anteam Digital Camera both have their strengths, but it ultimately comes down to your needs and preferences.
If you're looking for a camera for your little ones that won't break the bank, the SINEAU Kids Camera is a fantastic choice. But if you're a vlogging enthusiast or someone who values top-notch image quality, the Anteam Digital Camera is the way to go.
Remember, always consider your budget and what you'll be using the camera for before making your decision. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and we'll see you next time for more product comparisons.